Well, this morning across the nation, cleanup efforts continue in Mississippi and Alabama after a string of deadly tornadoes ripped through the region.
It is heartbreaking. The storms killed at least 26 people and left dozens more hurt. Early data from the National Weather Service calls the tornado an EF4 rating. That is the second strongest classification. Early yesterday morning, President Biden issued an emergency declaration. Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves vowed to help rebuild the region. Jonathan McNamara with the Red Cross says they are no stranger to responding to these types of disasters.
From a Red Cross perspective here in Virginia, we know from previous experience you could see dozens of Red Cross volunteers from the Richmond area and across the Commonwealth that will go down. And they go down for about a 2 to 3 week deployment to be able to start to provide assistance to these communities as they go through the various levels of recovery.
McNamara said the Red Cross already has more than 100 disaster responders in Mississippi, assisting those residents who need immediate help after those deadly tornadoes. About 2,000 homes were damaged or destroyed.